Within the confines of our skulls lies the most complex object known in the universe, the human brain. Weighing just 3 pounds, this incredible organ orchestrates every thought, emotion, and action we experience. It is the seat of our consciousness, our memories, and our very identity. Despite centuries of study, the brain remains largely a mystery. We are only beginning to scratch the surface of its intricate workings. Its profound capabilities and hidden depths continue to challenge our understanding. At its core, the brain is a vast network of billions of specialized cells called neurons. Each neuron communicates with thousands of others, forming trillions of connections known as synapses. This intricate web allows for rapid and complex information processing. These connections are not static, they constantly change and adapt. This dynamic architecture enables learning, memory, and our ability to respond to the world around us. It is a living, evolving supercomputer. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is consciousness itself. How do electrical impulses and chemical reactions give rise to subjective experience? Why do we feel, perceive, and think in the way that we do? Scientists are still grappling with the hard problem of consciousness. We can observe brain activity, but we cannot yet explain how that activity translates into the rich inner world we inhabit. It remains a profound philosophical and scientific challenge. Our ability to remember shapes who we are. But how exactly are memories formed, stored, and retrieved? The brain doesn't simply record events like a video camera, it actively constructs and reconstructs our past. Different types of memory, from short-term working memory to long-term episodic and semantic memories, involve distinct brain regions. The process is incredibly complex and often fallible, leading to forgotten details or even false recollections. Every night, we enter the surreal landscape of dreams. These vivid, often bizarre narratives unfold while we sleep, yet their purpose remains hotly debated. Are they random neural firings, or do they serve a vital function? Theories suggest dreams help consolidate memories, process emotions, or even rehearse responses to potential threats. Regardless of their purpose, dreams offer a fascinating glimpse into the subconscious workings of our minds. For a long time, scientists believed the adult brain was largely fixed. However, we now understand the remarkable phenomenon of neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Neuroplasticity allows us to learn new skills, adapt to injuries, and even recover from brain damage. It highlights the brain's incredible capacity for change and resilience, constantly rewiring itself based on our experiences. When the brain malfunctions, the consequences can be devastating. Conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and various mental health disorders underscore our limited understanding of brain health. These diseases affect millions worldwide. Research into these conditions is ongoing, seeking to unravel their causes and develop effective treatments. Understanding the brain's normal functioning is crucial to combating these debilitating illnesses and improving quality of life. Advances in neuroscience are rapidly expanding our knowledge. New imaging techniques allow us to observe brain activity in unprecedented detail. Brain-computer interfaces are beginning to bridge the gap between thought and action. The future promises deeper insights into mental health, intelligence, and even the nature of reality. As we continue to explore, we move closer to unlocking the full potential of the human mind. The mysteries of our brain are vast and profound, inviting endless exploration. From the enigma of consciousness to the mechanics of memory, each discovery opens new avenues of inquiry. We are on a continuous journey of understanding. The brain is not just an organ, it is the universe experiencing itself. Its secrets hold the key to understanding what it means to be human. The quest to unravel its complexities is one of humanity's most important endeavors.